Hello, how are you today?
Hi, I am good, thanks.
I am also good, thank you.
What are you doing now?
I am drinking some coffee.
Oh, I like coffee too.
Yes, it is very nice.
Do you work today?
No, I do not work.
I am also not working.
It is a good day.
Yes, it is very sunny.
Do you like the sun?
I love the sun very much.
Me too, it feels warm.
Are you going somewhere?
No, just staying at home.
I am going to the park.
That sounds very good.
Do you want to come?
Maybe another time, thank you.
Okay, no problem at all.
What do you like to do?
I like to read books.
Books are very interesting.
Do you read many books?
Sometimes I read short ones.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Mine is green, like nature.
Green is a very nice color.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a small cat.
Oh, a cat is so cute.
She sleeps all day long.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza very much.
Pizza is so delicious.
Do you cook often?
No, I do not cook.
I cook sometimes, simple things.
That is very good skill.
Thank you, it is easy.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister.
I have two brothers.
That is a nice family.
Yes, they are very funny.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning now.
Me too, it is difficult.
But it is very important.
Yes, for many things.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch simple shows.
I watch news sometimes.
The news is important.
Yes, to know many things.
Do you like to travel?
I love to travel always.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Japan.
Japan is beautiful.
Yes, very many places.
Have you been there?
No, not yet, unfortunately.
I hope you go soon.
Thank you. Me too.
What time is it now?
It is almost 6 o'clock.
Oh, time flies quickly.
Yes, it goes very fast.
I should go now.
Okay, it was nice talking.
You too have a good day.
You also. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.